Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lala Gabor, the Beat Stitcher. Today we'll be exploring fashion illustrations and draping on a half scale mannequin. I'm super excited, so stay tuned. I'm back. I was going to keep quiet the whole tutorial, but I decided to chime in and give you a little step-by-step commentary as to what I'm doing. So I did decide to start over with my fashion illustration because I started off with a non-pregnant fashion illustration. And when I am drawing something that I am going to create, I like it to be realistic to my current state so I can visualize the complete look with the garment, how I accessorize it, what my hair will look like for the evening. And as you can see, both of the fashion illustrations have two different hairstyles. It's just because I wanted to diversify my look to see which hairstyle will look best with the outfit. This medium is water-based colors. I find that they're extremely easy to mix and to dilute if you put too much color, if the color's too rich, excuse me, and just play around with it and have fun. I am self-taught, so I did not go to school for fashion illustration or pattern making or sewing. So keep in mind, I am self-taught, so I feel like there's no right or wrong way to art. It's a feeling. So I am super happy how this came out, and I'm just bringing her to life with this color. I mean, I just have to do it in black and white, so I'll see what shoes I wear, what earrings I'm feeling like rocking, what hair color I may want. And if you don't like the talking, feel free to turn your volume down or mute it. But yeah. So I'll come back once I transition to the next thing. Yeah, so see you later.
high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you. You caught my eye, and I've got a feeling I'm falling. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to. I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you. I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you. I'm flying high, but show me the ring and I'll jump right through. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to. Through. I used to. Through. I used to. Through. I used to.
So I've adorned her with a pop of color, which always goes well with the black dress if you're not trying to do the all black look. I'm finishing off her hand here, going across her belly, and then I am going to go in with a deep burgundy.
I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you. You caught my eye, and I've got a feeling I'm falling. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to. I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you.
Feather shoes are so trendy this season. I saw some Cape Robin colorful teal feather shoes that I just love. Of course, everyone is rocking the V Saint Laurent shoes. They've done a couple feather shoes that are just iconic. I also have seen the Prada feather shoes. I should do a DIY for shoes, but to stay on topic. And there's another artist, the Akira Azealia Wang Burlesque shoe, which is amazeballs. So I just gave her some too. Now, I just like to go in and add different hues of red to make the hair look a little bit more realistic. And yeah, she's just about.
Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to. Through. I used to. Through. I used to. Through. I used to. falling for nobody else but you. You caught my eye, and I've got a feeling I'm falling. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to. I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling, falling for nobody else but you.
Okay, now she's just about finished, but you have to sign your fashion illustration, stamp your work, and she is done. And I love this because it gives me a visual of how the design will look accessorized and all dolled up before you even start construction. So after I finish my fashion illustration, I go to my half scale mannequin. If I want to just preserve muslin and I don't want to waste a lot of fabric, I'll go to the half scale mannequin. And I just start playing around with fabric and shapes to kind of see when I go to my full scale mannequin what my pattern pieces will look like, and I won't be going in blind. So I'm starting with the front, marking my waistline, marking my darts, my center front, the grain line, which is basically what direction the fabric grain is going in. I'm moving to the back. You'll have to cut away the excess fabric and snip it so that you'll have a smooth fabric surface. Mark my waistline. And I'm just going to make sure my sides add up, match up, not add up, so that everything, falls together the way it's supposed to go. Now that I have my sleeve pinned, I'm going to mark my arm's eye, the back side of my arm's eye, and then I'm going to cut away that excess fabric so I can just see how the fabric lays once again. And I had to do this kind of fast so you guys wouldn't get bored. So if there's anything that you need me to go over, slow down, please leave it in the comments. I don't bite and I don't mind doing it over. So this is kind of late at night, but what you don't ever want to do is try to pull at fabric and force it to fit. You want it to match up and align perfectly, kind of overlapping one another so you can just see where your fabric meets. Like, mark the back bodice, the front bodice, because you do have some back and front that kind of run identical, so you don't want to get them confused. Cut away at your fabric. Match up your side seam on the other side again. And I just folded under the fabric so that I could see how the seam would lie, and so that I can mark my side, so that I would know where my fabric would meet up, where my pattern pieces would need to be marked, as far as like the match points. Mark the back waist again once I get like a nice smooth surface. And we're just going to go in with the back skirt. I started at the hip line, just pulling it down to meet the side seam of the front skirt. I'm just going to smooth it out. And it's like magic. It's like, you're working with Play-Doh or something, or molding clay. You just want it to be smooth. You don't want to, force it. Just let the fabric work itself out. And it will. I promise it will. So do lots of smoothing. Mark as much as you need to so that when you pull those pieces off the mannequin, you're not confused as far as your direction, what's your center front, etc. 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 So I stay zoomed in a little bit too much. Ooh, I apologize about that, but I'm going to zoom out so that you see the whole complete draping. And I just mark my back skirt. Of course, like I said, mark everything, your grain line, which direction the fabric is going in, your darts, where they meet up on your skirt. And yeah. So this kind of hairstyle mannequin reminds me of like making clothes for a baby doll, but it's really, really helpful and it helps you preserve muslin. So this is it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in and stay tuned. This is only part one. Part two is soon to come. You'll see me put the whole look together.